University in Boca Raton was also affected by the earthquake. The school lost 4 students and 2 professors when Hotel Montana collapsed during the earthquake. Angela Rozier is live right now from the Boca Raton campus, where special events are being held today to remember the lives lost. Angela?
That's right, Paul. Today is a day of remembering and celebrating. And officials here at Lynn University say they wanted to remember those 6 people by doing what they died doing, serving others. Anyone here need turkey?
Yeah, I need turkey.
It's 9 in the morning, and students and staff at Lynn University are already making lunch.
We're making sandwiches for 2 after-school care programs.
It's just one of the day of service events planned for today, January 12th, in honor of the 4 students and 2 professors who died in the Haiti earthquake while serving the poor.
It's very important for everybody because some of them were really loved, and I mean, we really felt something. There's a connection everywhere. A lot of people are friends with everybody, so it was really important.
They were great kids, and we're going to remember them forever. So we're here, remembering them and trying to help students just like they were.
This is Jonathan DeSouvere. He's an IT technician at the university, but today he's part of the cleaning crew.
It's a sense of all of us uniting together.
He's filling in so that the Haitian staff can have the day off and stay home with family members to reflect on today's tragic event. It's all part of the Help One of Our Own project, another day of service event here on campus.
There's strength in unity, and at Lynn University today we are embodying that, and I hope we do that each and every year, and we do that each and every day, so I'm excited about it. We have our times to mourn, but today is not a day of mourning. It's a day of celebration and honoring as we unite together.
And as you can see, the stage is set for the announcement of the permanent memorial here on campus. It will be called the Remembrance Plaza. And also later on today at 4:53, there will be a moment of silence. Reporting live in Boca Raton, Angela Rozier, WPBF 25 News.